Let's do it louder. Food. Look at that food came out. Let's see what's inside. A red apple. Apple starts with A. Can you do the A sound? Good job.
Anderson
You sing it with me.
mi nhàng muối mi nhàng muối cái đít mưa ấy nhờ
What's inside? Some raspberries, a red tomato, a red strawberry.
We are the Healthy Super Kids. We eat yummy vegetables. Yummy fruits. Give us energy and make us strong. We eat fruits from the rainbow. Can you be a healthy super kid too? Eat fruits and vegetables to get your superpowers, vitamins, and minerals. That's plenty.
For this next song, let's pretend that we keep dropping our pumpkin. It's quite long, and these are some animals. Ready? I drop my pumpkin, pick it up, pick it up. I drop my pumpkin, pick it up, pick it up. I drop my pumpkin, pick it up.